Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi, Chapter 10, Ek Din Ki Badshah, Story Explanation and Textbook Solutions in English. I'm going to explain the summary of this chapter in English first before explaining the textbook solutions. Arif and Salim are two kids who are always troubled by the fact that their family members keep interrupting them all the time. Arif and Salim were the two kids. So their parents and elders used to say, don't do this, don't do that. They always hear these words when they are in home. So here Ammi meaning is mother and Dadi is grandmother and Abba is father. So when they go and play outside, mother used to say, why are you outside? And if they stay inside, their grandmother used to say, go out, don't make noise here. So both of the children lives were in trouble. There were so many restrictions at home. One day, an idea came to the mind of children. They quickly reached their father and submitted a request before him. For one day, you should give all the rights of elders to kids. His mother refused, but his father agreed. Next day morning, Arif asked his mother to wake up early and prepare breakfast. Tayar kijiye meaning is prepare breakfast. Mother wanted to sleep, but she remembered that today their kids took all their rights. Next, it is the turn of grandma. After reading namaz, she took medicine and drank badam milk. So Arif stopped her and said, Grandma, how much you will drink? Your stomach will get burst. Then they all went to eat breakfast in the dining table. Arif said to the cook, keep all the eggs and butter, that's our side, and keep all the porridge and milk the other side. So at the dining table, Salib interrupted Amma, see your teeth. How dirty it is. Everyone laughed at her mother, and her mother went to washroom. So then Salim now turned to his father. He's saying, see the condition of father. His hair grown, hidden shave, baal bade huye, shave nahi ki, meaning is hidden shave. He was wearing yesterday's dress. Appa has many dress, but he was wearing the same yesterday's dress. Appa laughed after hearing this. Today, all the kids were imitating elders. Appa was ashamed to see his dress. After some time, his father was sitting with his friends and hearing a new ghazal. Arif started shouting, Appa, go to office early. It is 10 o'clock. Appa was trying to make him silent, but he was not silent. Next, Appa is asking Razia to give 5 rupees. Arif is saying, you have petrol, then why do you need money? After a while, cook came to ask Beham what would be in the food. So Amma started to say aloo, ghost. So she started to say, but then she realized that her rights were taken away. Then the kid said, cook globe jamun, gajar ka halwa, meete chawal, sweet rice today. At the same time, grandmother was making some noise. The kids were imitating like her grandmother and said, if you make noise like this, our heart will damage. Next, when it was time for college, Bhai John, so his brother said to his mother that he'll be coming late in the evening. So he said he have to go to a movie with friends. So his mother told, be careful. But the kids said, no need to watch movies, the exams are near. And then he laughed, his brother laughed by the wording of kids, and he started asking permission. Next, they turned their eyes towards their sister. Salim inspecting her sister carefully and said, why are you wearing such a heavy sari? Evening it will spoil. So Appa said that there is some college function, that is why she is wearing a heavy embroidery sari. So the day passed, the kids were imitating each and every person in the home. In this way, one day passed by giving orders. The next day, when Salim opened his eyes, he was waiting for others to get up. Everyone was decorating the breakfast table. Ammi ordered the cook to make a sweet dish with every meal. Everything became normal. So this is a story. Next we'll see textbook solution. Kahani ke baat, story talk. First question, what did father, Abba meaning is father, think, and why did he obey Arif? Abba thought every day, everyone commands children, so today let them have a chance to dictate. Second question, it was unique one day when children got all the rights of elders. What would they thought after that day had passed? You have to write in terms of Arif, in terms of Amma, in terms of grandmother. Next, your point. Question 1. What will you do if you are given all the rights for a day at home? You can write your own answer, whether you will do all your work, what you will do, what you will not do when you are given rights. Second question, the story tells a number of things that elders used to ask Arif and Salim to do. Which of those do you think they should have done without complaining, and for what purpose should they have refused? So when Arif and Salim were asked to get up early in the morning and sleep on time, they should obey. So if they feel like singing or playing at home, when somebody says, they can refuse them. Next we'll see the first question. Both of them sat for hours and thought of ways to escape these restrictions. So we can write, first question is, what tricks do you think so that they would have thought? What was second question is, what was a trick that fulfilled their wish? Third question, can you suggest a better idea to both of them than this trick? So you can write your own answer. Next, talk about rights. Adhikaron ki baat, meaning is talking about rights. Today all their rights have been snatched away. Question 1, who took away Ammi's right? So Ammi's right were taken away by Arif and Salim. Second question, should they have taken away Ammi's right? So they wanted Abba and Ami to sit down and speak and try to solve their problem. That is why they have taken their rights. Question 3, what rights will they have to take away from Amma? So you can write your own answer in your point of view. Next, बादशाह क्या होती हैं? सर्चा करो. Meaning is, what is Badshah discuss? So this word is derived from the word Badshah. In ancient times. The king's command was important to all. They ruled the entire people. Everyone was afraid of him and obeyed him. So that is why the right of the emperor is called as Badshah. Next, why do you think this story is named One Day King? Because they took away all the rights of elders. They were given all the right for one day. That is why it is called as Ek Din Ki Badshah. So you can write your own other title. So it can be Bado Ko Sabak, meaning is lessons to elders. Next, third question. In the story, the children had to work with the elders all day. Who had become the real king for one day? So it is obviously Arif and Salim. Next, what are the things in the story called goods? Tarmal. So meaning is things that can be eaten. So that is called as tarmal. So something which is delicious. So meaning is here it is butter and eggs. What are the other things can be called as tarmal? So you can write halwa, puri, rasamalai, shahi paneer, all these. Next, so what do you think that you cannot call as, you don't like to call as tarmal? So you can write dal, roti, rice, biscuits, vegetables. Next, what name would you like to name these things? So stuffing goods you can say. So next, Manpasand Kapade. Similarly, she ordered Arif and Salim to take off their favorite shirt and wear useless clothes. So this was the text given. So from that first question, so you too would like to have a special cloth of yours. Tell about that cloth. So you can write whether you like frock, uh, any other thing which you like in dress, and you can also write in food or work to do, sports, all these you can write. So what things do you think that you like it is useless? So you can write in terms of things to wear and food items, work to do, sports. So what you think that you it is absolutely useless. Next, halka bari. Halka meaning is light, bari meaning is heavy. So first question is, itni bari sari kyo pahani? So why you wear such a heavy sari? So here the sari was overweight, large samples were made, or the sari had a bell boots embroidery. So the answer is sari had a bell boot embroidery. So the same heavy can be used in different nouns. The heavy is adjective here. Heavy sari, heavy briefcase, heavy work, heavy rain. All these are now different. The same heavy can be used in different nouns. So in sari, meaning is more embroidery. In terms of briefcase, it is overweight. In terms of work, it is over strength. In terms of rain, it is too much rain. Next, the same way you can use halka. So they have used bari, meaning is heavy. You can also use light. So you can write light bag, light work, light food, light rain, light talk, light movement. So these are the textbook solution. Next comes the hard words from this chapter. So you can just pause the video and write down in your notebook. Then comes meanings. You can just pause the video and write down the meanings of this chapter. So this is a easy chapter. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.